Alright, I'm gonna test this out. Got the new, I guess, DJI OSMO 4 camera. Seeing if the mic's working, all that good stuff. Just going to Obetz bike night. I think starts at like 6 to, well, it starts at 6 and ends at 9. Man, somebody's needs their truck fixed or automobile fixed. So I did get an autocast for the wireless CarPlay, so I can do Android Auto also. And at first it started out working pretty well, but sometimes when you start the bike, it doesn't want to connect. I think I had that same problem with the quad lock. Quad lock, I had it go out on me almost into Cincinnati. This one, have I had it? I have had it go out on me. Just riding, but I think it reconnected. And there is a button you can push on that thing to kind of make it redo that. But if it doesn't connect right off the rip, restarting that with that button does not work. I had to shut my bike off and restart it. So that's probably, so I can't go anywhere until I make sure this thing says Apple CarPlay available. But I do feel like that was a thing with the quad lock one too. So I don't know. It's better than nothing. I like it because I don't need a wire. And when the iPhone thinks it detects moisture, it disables like the charging port. So I'm hoping that I don't run into that problem with the wireless charging stuff. I wasn't going to put a mount on the Superman helmet from Rock, but dude, I spent too much money for it. I think it fits a little better than my other helmet. So the problem is I used the Rock little action camera mount, and it, with the adhesive and the way it's built, it sucks. So you gotta epoxy that thing onto the helmet. I think overall, I think that was my biggest worry, was putting epoxy on this helmet, and you can't really remove that mount now. But I ain't gonna sell the fucking helmet. So yeah, I just said to hell with it. Mounted the camera up. Put the 4, they sell a mic mount now that you can actually also charge the camera also. I'm not putting on my other helmet, I have a mount for a battery pack. I'm not doing it here. If all else fails, I'll stick a battery pack in my pocket and just run it up to the camera. So I don't want all that extra stuff on. Yeah, that's the helmet thing, and then the autocast. I'll try to make a video on the autocast on how to set it up. So if anybody wants to do the Android Auto, it works pretty good. So I got to go to Utah. I leave like Sunday, so I don't think I'll be able to get to it by then. I also got to change the oil on this thing because it's giving me a change oil alert when I start the bike up. So I got to do that. I may make another video because see if the oil filter's a pain in the ass to get off this time, and then I got a different oil drain plug to use. It's got a magnet on it, and it's not an Allen wrench. It's a socket. Also, on this bike, if nobody knows, there's a service, like a service alert or something like that, about the gear that's in your windshield of the Challengers or whatever. They're going to a brass collar so it doesn't break or wear out. So if it's under warranty, I think they'll do it for free. I think you may have to pay something if it's not under warranty. A service bulletin is what I was thinking of. But yeah, get that fixed if it's under warranty. I need to call and get it done. So I'll probably get it done in Kentucky. I like those guys down there. I know it's like 117 miles away, but for one, it's not too bad of a ride. And the people of the northern Kentucky, they're pretty nice people. There's a couple other recalls you got to do. I think, I forget what the recalls are. I got the letter at the house, but make sure, I think it may be, oh, the tail lights, your brake lights come on. It doesn't really hit the brakes, from, if I remember correctly, but it makes the lights come on. I think that's it for that. So the service bulletin on the collar for the windshield up and down motor can be done, and then the recall, I'm almost positive it's for the brake light just coming on randomly, and I couldn't tell you if my bike does it or not because I'm not behind me. So yeah, that's it. If you feel like it, like and subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment. That'd be appreciated. I try to respond to most things, at least with the thanks or you're welcome or whatever. I just try my best to respond to people. So leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and we will talk at you later. This Obetz thing is a car show and a bike night type deal. They have food trucks, usually busier than shit, but it's close. Sometimes there's good music, sometimes there's not. If you're in the Columbus area, and stop down. Yeah, they got a Jeep gathering here too. Cars. Alright, that's the end of bike night. Well, for me anyway. I think I'm gonna take this bike home. Get it up on the lift so I can change the oil at some point, relax for the rest of the day, and be done with her. It's a nice breezy day. I do have a question. I want to get a different headlight for this. And I've been thinking about, you know how the Baja lights are yellow? I've been thinking about putting one of those on here. So if anybody has used them on anything, any bike, I guess. Let me know how they are, because I think there are kits to convert the headlight over to those Baja style lights. I'm interested on how good they are at night. I'm assuming they're pretty good, because I think that's the purpose of them, for that off-road stuff. So post up in the comment section if anybody has put that style light on their bike, and if it's worth it. I mean, they're all $400 or $500, so. Oh, I don't know, fall over. Trying to scratch my fucking foot. I don't know, I probably already said it, but I appreciate everybody. I think I got 630 subscribers as this video, or the day I posted this or made this video. I do appreciate everybody. I think most of you guys watch my videos but don't subscribe, so if you could do that, it would help me out some. But anyway, if not, just thumbs up the video, comment, and we'll catch you next time. Been trying to catch this guy that's in my neighborhood. He's bought a Harley. So been trying to see if I can catch his ass out, because he started out with a small little bike, then I think he went with an older Goldwing, and then this year he bought him. He's like, it's right here in this house, but he's not home. So I don't know if he goes to school at night or works at night, second shift. So anyway, all right, I'm out. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.